Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 11 part 1. The fourth chapter, journal entries. The fourth chapter was going on and journal entries, few questions from your illustration of your textbook as well as few questions from your exercise the previous videos I explained. Now slowly we will go to the different type of complicated journal like that one or two illustration as well as one or two exercise we will make you practice. Now we will find out the different types of journal is coming. Overall idea how to write the journal entries that every one of you understood, how to write the debit account as well as the credit account, the amount and the narrations. But now you have to make the practice for different types of questions. In this video I will explain the illustration number 11 of your textbook of page number 79. Of page number 79 I want to repeat page 79, the illustration number 11 I want to repeat it. Every one of you follow it. Record the following transactions in journal of Sri Omkar Traders. They are telling that record the following transactions in the journal of Sri Omkar Traders. So we will write the journal entries of Sri Omkar Traders. Just from your textbook I want to explain. Next questions from your exercise there I will solve it and show it. 2014 October 1st. 2014 October 1st. This is the journal format every one of you know. Now question is there. A business is commenced with the introductions of cash of rupees 40,000, furniture of rupees 10,000, stock of rupees 8,000, 8% loan of a pragna of rupees 20,000. When you will start doing this first journal, then most of the questions you will get the first journal. It is like that the owner of this business started business after giving certain things. It may be the cash, it may be the furniture, it may be the stock of goods, it may be the debtors, it may be the creditors, it may be the loans he has taken, like that. Keep in mind, he is giving cash. For that cash journal is separate journal. If you want to pass, then his journal is coming cash account debit to capital account, furniture also furniture account debit to capital account, stock of goods account debit to capital account, and loan from pragna, that is not this money he has not invested. This money he has taken as a loan from pragna, and journal entries for this is not pragna account debit to capital account. Keep in mind, this 20,000 is not the journal for pragna account debit to capital account. The journal for this 20,000, it is cash is coming in the business, so cash account debit to loan account. This amount is not invested by the owner. For that, the journal is cash account debit to loan account. So exactly you are getting the cash account two. One is cash of 40,000 and this is cash of 20,000. When you will write the cash account, that time cash account debit will write 40 plus 20 is equal to 60,000. So will write the journal cash account debit 60,000, furniture account debit 10,000, stock of goods account debit 8,000, to 8% pragna's loan 20,000, and to the capital account whatever the balance is coming. See here, cash account debit of 60,000, furniture account debit 10,000, goods account stock of goods account debit 8,000, to pragna's loan account 20,000, to capital account. Narrations all every one of you know. I am not explaining the narrations because narrations you have to write in your own language. Come to the second point. At the time of the inaugural of the shop, paid for ice cream and others expense of rupees 3,500. जब बिजनेस शुरू हुआ था, इनोग्रेट हुआ था, तब at the time of inaugural the shop paid ice creams and others expense of rupees 3,000. The money has gone, you paid, so your cash account will be credit, and debit will be the expense account. Now what type of expense this is? This is for daily like this expense are not coming. You can write the Sunday expense or miscellaneous expense. Here it is written Sunday expense. You can write the miscellaneous expense account. So miscellaneous expense account debit or Sunday expense account debit of 3,500 to cash of rupees 3,500 being 3,500. Here it is in essence it is given 3,000 but actually it is coming 3,500 being 3,500 paid for the ice creams and others expense for inaugurations of the shop. I think you understood. Now number next is coming 3. 3 is coming opened a bank account with Bank of Baroda by depositing rupees 25,000 in cash. You have opened a bank account. Your journal should be bank account debit to cash because you have opened a bank account with the Bank of Baroda by depositing of rupees 25,000. So your journal is coming the bank account debit to cash account. See it is here bank account debit to cash account 25,000. Understands? Number 4. 4 it is given the electric weight machines purchased for rupees 4,000. Electric weight machine you have purchased. That day I told electric weight machines if you have purchased and that is called dead stock. So dead stock account debit to cash. See it is here dead stock account debit to cash. The machines which you have purchased for weighting this machine. Weight machines for this weighting purpose. So it is coming under the dead stock. So dead stock account debit to cash account. Number 5. Machines of rupees 5,000 is purchased from the Napkat traders and paid the machine installation charges of rupees 500. One day I told you which video I do not know. I told the formula. Once again I want to repeat this one. If you buy the assets, keep in mind, if you buy the assets and if you paid any extra amount for settlement of these machines or installation charge of these machines or carrying cash cost of these machines or any other related machine related expense for bringing the machines from one place to the another place, then the money which you paid extra, this money extra account debit will not come. That amount will be added with the machines and total machines account will be 5,500. Total machines account debit it will be 5,500. So you have purchased a machine which cost was 5,000 but you have paid rupees 500 installation. So installation charge also will be added with the machines. Extra installation charge account debit will not come. Machine account debit 5,500 to Napkat traders. You have purchased the machine from Napkat. So it is credit of rupees 5,000 and you have paid for this. This money is paid. 500 is paid. For that it is to cash account and Napkat traders the amount is not paid. For that it is credit. So your journal is machine account debit, Napkat traders account debit to cash. It should not be machine account debit, installation charge account debit to Napkat to cash. That should not happen. Number 5 is over. Now we will do the number next. Next is which one? 6. 1 minute. Just I want to adjust it here. Yes, correct. Next is coming. After 5 is coming 8. No 6 is there. Now 8 is there. What is 8? It is given. 8 it is given. Goods of rupees 10,000 are purchased from Shivam traders at 10% TD and rupees 50 paid for carriage. Now onwards, you pay attention very carefully. They will give the trade discount as well as the cash discount like this sum. I already told the trade discount and cash discount. If both are given, then first we will calculate the trade discount and we will deduct the amount, but this amount we will not write in anywhere in the journal. But after that we will calculate the cash discount and cash discount we will write in the journal. Here only trade discount is given, cash discount is not given. What is given it here? The goods of rupees 10,000 are purchased from Shivam traders at 10% trade discount and rupees 50 is paid for carriage. That is 8. It is here 80. 8 is here. The purchase account debit, carriage account debit to Shivam traders to cash. Now question it comes in your mind, sir, carriage 50 rupees debit, why it is? This is also one thing you keep in mind, carriage you paid and it should be paid by you only. As it is not mentioned, sometime it may be mentioned that on behalf of Shivam Traders the carriage is paid. On behalf of Shivam Traders, if carriage is paid, that time you have to write the Shivam Traders account को purchase account debit, Shivam Traders account debit to cash. Now this 50 rupees you had to pay, for that you paid, so this 50 rupees is the carriage. This previous one, you see, you paid 500 for installations, that 500 it was added with the machines. But next questions, you paid 50 rupees, but this 50 rupees is not added with the goods because it is a goods. If it is a goods, for carrying cost will not be added with the goods. But if it is a machines, the carrying cost will be added with the machines. This is the formula. So if it is a goods and if you pay any extra money for carrying cost, the another carrying cost charge will be separate, will be written. So your purchase account debit 9,000 because goods it was 10,000 and 10,000 10% is 1,000, which you deducted, that it became 9,000. So good purchase account debit 9,000, carriage account debit 50 rupees, to Shivam Traders 9,000 and to cash. Actually purchase account debit to Shivam Traders 9,000 and carriage account debit to cash is rupees 50. Understands? Next is coming after 8 is 10. House rent paid rupees 700 and life insurance of rupees 1,200 paid by check. You have paid the house rent. As you paid the house rent, so obviously it is not the expense for the business. It is the expense for the house, personal expense. And personal expense if it is paid, then I told you the drawings account will come. So your drawings account debit of rupees 7,000 and life insurance premium, that also drawings. So drawings account debit 7 plus 1,200, 8,200 and to bank, because both are paid through, I think, bank. So drawings it is given that 7,000 house rent paid not through bank. House rent paid 7,000 and life insurance of rupees 1,000 paid by check. So 1,200 is the bank and 7,000 is the cash. So for that it is given the drawings account debit to cash, to bank. Drawings account debit 8,200, to cash 7,000 and to bank 1,200. Now it is coming 12. 12 it is given the goods of rupees 5,000 sold to Akash Traders at 10% trade discount and 10% cash discount will be allowed if due paid in 10 days. Try to understand. On the date of the 12th, the cash is not paid. Date of 12 October it is said that goods of rupees 5,000 sold to Akash Traders at 10% TD. आकाश ट्रेडर्स के पास 10% TD में गुड्स हम लोग बेचा था. कंडीशन था 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट विल बी अलाउडेड, मतलब वी विल गिव द 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट इफ द ड्यू अमाउंट पेड इन 10 days. After that we will see the Akash Traders journal will be there. See 15 Akash Traders paid half the amount by check for the transaction dated 12. So 12 तारीख का ट्रांजेक्शन हुआ और 10 दिन का अंदर पेमेंट होगा तो कैश डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. सो फॉर दैट सिर्फ 15 तारीख इज दैट विद इन 10 days, क्योंकि 12 से 22 तारीख સુધી उसको डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. तो 15 तारीख को उसने एक पेमेंट दिया और 18 तारीख को उसने क्या किया, हैज़ रिटर्न गुड बैक. अच्छा, गुड्स गिवन बैक. बाद में we will see when he paid the remaining amount, but the money which you paid on the date of the 15, that he will get the discount. In these transactions, the 12th day transactions only we will do the transaction for credit transactions, and 5,000 10% means 500, 4,500 का ट्रांजेक्शन होगा. ट्रेड डिस्काउंट डिडक्ट होगा 500, 10% of 5,000, that is 500. But this cash discount will not be calculated on the date of 12, because on the date of 12 cash is not received. On the date of 15th cash is received. So here your journal is there. Akash Traders account debit to sales. How much? 4,500. 4,500. Here you see the Akash Traders account debit to sales 4,500. Clear? cash discount will not be calculated here. Next transactions we will calculate the cash discount. It is given in the 15. The Akash traders paid half amount by check for transactions date 12. 12 डेट का ट्रांजेक्शन के ऊपर आकाश ट्रेडर्स कितना पेमेंट किया? द हाफ अमाउंट. नाउ आई वांट टू शो यू द कैलकुलेशंस हियर. टोटल अमाउंट हाउ मच इट वाज? 4,500. दैट इज द ट्रांजेक्शन डेट. मतलब एक्चुअली इट वाज 5,000. 5,000 was the amount of these transactions, and you deducted 500 for the TD, which is 10%, and your transactions amount is coming 4,500. But out of this 4,500, how much he paid? He will get cash discount. He had not paid, he had received, because sale transactions. So out of the 4,500, how much amount he received? Who received? The Omkar traders. Omkar traders. So Omkar traders is received 50% amount. The 50% amount which is received, 50% not received. This is CEIVED. Received. 50,000 amount, how much coming? 4,000, 2,250, and this is also 2,250. Okay. Now carry transactions is, this is cash transaction is this. Now he will get discount इसका ऊपर. क्यों? जो amount, keep in mind, cash discount amount will be calculated only that amount which is paid or received. Once again I want to repeat, cash discount amount will be calculated only that amount which is paid or received. Here paid will not come because sales transactions, so which you received. So once again 225 rupees, 10% CD cash discount will come. तो 225 डिडक्ट होगा तो दिस इज हाउ मच? 5 मिनट 1 3 2 5 3 2 5 2 2,025 रुपया उन्हें रिसीव किया. Either it is a cash or check. Let me see. It is given 15. Akash traders paid half amount by check. By check दिया तो bank. तो this is you have received through bank. This is trade discount and this amount is settled down. So your amount is settled down 2,250. 15 transaction you see. See, I told same thing. Bank account debit 2025, that which you received. Actually you should receive 2250, but you have given a discount, so discount as you have given, so discount account debit. One more doubt may come, discount will be debit or discount will be credit. मैंने एक दिन बोला था आपको डिस्काउंट बैंक का होगा तो बैंक का साथ जाएगा और डिस्काउंट कैश होगा तो कैश का साथ जाएगा. If bank is debit, discount also will be debit. If bank is credit, discount account also will be credit. Bank account debit 2025, discount account debit 225, to Akash traders 2250. Now question may come from your mind, sir, what about the remaining 2250? That was a credit transactions, we have written it here. So what they will say afterwards, according to that we will go it. Next is coming, the Akash traders has returned back the goods of rupees 700. Now how much was the left? The left is coming, this is 2250 is left. Out of that he is giving back the goods of rupees 700. So this is 1550 we have to receive from Akash traders, because out of the 2250 he already settled down after getting a discount and giving the check. The remaining 2250 का अंदर 700 रुपया गुड्स वो वापस दे रहा है, तो 1550 the goods the amount we should get it. Now Akash traders has returned goods of rupees 700. So here you see the sales return account debit to Akash traders of rupees 700. We are going to get back the goods of rupees 700. So sales return account debit to Akash traders. Now 20. The rupees 2,000 withdrawn from Bank of Baroda for shop expense. See, 2,000 withdrawn from Bank of Baroda for shop expense. शॉप एक्सपेंस के लिए बैंक से पैसा विड्रॉल किया था. दिस मनी हैज़ नॉट बीन विड्रॉन फ्रॉम बैंक फॉर पर्सनल यूज. दैट यू कीप इट माइंड. दिस मनी हैज़ नॉट बीन विड्रॉन फ्रॉम बैंक फॉर personal use. If this is withdrawn for personal use, then drawings account debit to bank. ये ट्रांजेक्शन होने वाला था, लेकिन दिस मनी हैज बीन विथड्रॉन फॉर शॉप एक्सपेंस, तो यू विल राइट शॉप एक्सपेंस अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, देन ऑल्सो इट विल बी रॉन्ग. क्यों? द शॉप एक्सपेंस स्टिल यू हैव नॉट डन. आपने शॉप एक्सपेंस के लिए पैसा विड्रॉल किया था, अभी पैसा कहाँ है? पैसा इट इज इन द योर बिजनेस. सो ओनली द यू हैव टेकन द मनी फ्रॉम द बैंक. So your cash is coming and their bank balance is decreasing. So your journal is cash account debit to bank. But shop expense account debit to bank, if you write, it will be wrong. So cash account debit to bank. See, cash account debit to bank. Bank means Bank of Baroda. Being 2000 withdrawn from the bank for shop expense. Shop expense के लिए आपने withdrawn किया था. Now 20 is over. Now 21, the goods of rupees 6,000 purchased from Amar traders at 10% TD and 5% CD. Half the amount is paid in cash. Now once again you calculate it. How they are calculating? 6,000, this is goods purchase. 6,000 goods purchase, 10% TD and 5% CD. Now 6,000. First 10% is 600. That is 10% CD. So remaining amount is 5,400. This is your transactions amount. If you want to buy, you have to pay 5,400. Now what happened? Now this money is not paid. Out of that, half you paid, half you not paid. The half comes 2,700 and remaining half comes 2,700. Suppose this is paid and this is NP, means not paid. The money which you paid, that once again you will get a discount. How much percentage? 5%. So 5% comes 270 ka half 135. This is 5% of CD. How I am calculating 5%? Because I know the 10% is 270. 2,700 का 10% होता है 270. 270 if it is a 10%, तो 5% होगा half of 270, that is 135. 135 if you deduct, this will become 65. And this is 2, means this is 5, this is 2, this is 2565, the money which you paid. The 135 which you got discount, and amount settled 2,700. Date of amount of transactions 5,400. Purchase it, and the money you paid by check, cash, 5% cash discount. Half the amount is paid in cash. In cash you paid. So from whom you have? This is Amar traders. Purchase transactions. So your journal will come purchase account debit, that is 5,400. Then to Amar traders, that is 2,700 credit transactions, and to discount, that is 135, and 2 cash, that is 2565. This will be the journal. Try to understand. Like this journal will come, you have to make practice like that. Purchase account debit not 6,000, 5,400. Purchase account debit 5,400, to Amar traders 2,700, to discount 135, to cash 2565. Let us see your answer from your book. See, purchase account debit 5,400, to cash account 2565, to discount account 135, and to Amar traders 2,700. What I have done, same one. Now next is coming 24. Goods worth rupees 500 is donated to the Mohali Vikas Ghar. Mohali Vikas Ghar में goods donate किया, तो donation account debit to purchase. This is the journal for that. Donation account debit to purchase account. Goods worth rupees 500 is donated to Mahila Vikas Ghar. So donation account debit to purchase. See, donation account debit to purchase of rupees 500. Understands? 24. Now 25. Goods of rupees 150 is distributed as free sample. Goods of rupees 150 is distributed as free sample. So once again you are distributing the goods as free sample. So what journal you will write? Once again that goods is going out, and free sample is one type of advertisements you can say, as you are giving the goods for advertisement. So advertisement expense account debit to purchase. Advertisement expense account debit to purchase. As goods is going, so it is advertisement expense account debit to purchase of rupees 750. Next is coming, which one? 750 or 150? So question is 25, no? 25 it is given 150, and here it is given 750. So here you make it a 750. In your question you correct it. The 25 that goods of rupees 750 is distributed as free sample. So here it is given advertisement account debit to purchase 750, 750. Next is coming 26. An order is issued to Vikas agency for goods of rupees 3000. Order issue किया. An order is issued to Vikas agency for goods of rupees 3000. जो ऑर्डर दिया दैट इज नॉट अ ट्रांजैक्शंस. ट्रांजैक्शन कब होगा? जब गुड्स सप्लाई करेगा और जब गुड्स सप्लाई करूँ. आइदर यू आर सेंडिंग द गुड्स और वी आर getting the goods that time, that it will be converted into transactions. But an order is issued to Vikas agency for the goods of 3026 will be the non-economic transactions. It is coming under the non-economic transactions. Now we are coming to 28. The business owner has withdrawn the goods of 2000 for personal use. For personal use, it is not written in your book. You correct it. Right after 2000, you write after putting a hyphen, arrow mark, and you write for personal use, and paid tuition fees for the sons of rupees 800 from business. Paid tuition fees of sons for 800 from the business. It is understood personal use. But business owner has withdrawn the goods of rupees 2000 for what purpose? It is not written, though it is understood indirectly, but it should be clearly mentioned. The goods has been withdrawn for personal use or for business purpose. It is for the personal use. तो personal use होगा तो that is come drawings account. तो drawings account debit how much? 2000 plus 800, because 800 also he has taken from the business for personal use only, because son's college fees or tuition fees that is for personal use. So drawings account debit 2800, to purchase 2000 and to cash 800. See here, drawings account debit 2800, to purchase 2000 and to cash 800. The next is coming, the last one, interest for 3 months paid on 8% loan of Pragna. Very good, very interesting questions. So by seeing these questions, you will think, sir, amount is not given, but indirectly amount is given, because you see that you have taken a loan from the beginning from Pragna of 20,000, which rate was 8% in rate of interest. 8% means 1,600 you have to pay for a year. Is not it? 8%. Now it is given it here that interest for 3 months paid for 8% loan of Pragna. So it is the 8% of 20,000, is not it? 8% of 20,000, which comes 1,600 for whole the year. That how I am calculating, that you should know the short form how to calculate. If you switch up 10, the amount is for 10%. If you switch up for 20, the left amount is 100%. So 8% you will calculate from here. 8 is here 1,600. 1,600 for whole the year. Now you have to calculate for 3 months. Divided by 12, multiply by 3. That means this is 4. 4 means 400. How much interest for 300 comes? 3 months comes 400. 400. See, it is here 400. So you are going to pay the interest 400. Interest on loan. The interest on loan account debit to cash. That how you calculate, you understand? You have to calculate the 8% of 20,000, which is coming 1,600 for whole the year, and you have to calculate whole the year means for 12 months. Now you have to calculate the interest for 3 months. That is amount 1,600 divided by 12 multiplied by 3, which comes 400. 400 is the interest for loan 8% on 20,000 for 3 months. So your journal is coming, interest on loan is expense, interest on loan account debit to cash. Remaining 9 months is left. For that we will not calculate now. When they will say, that time we will do. And at last we will make it a total which is coming 1,52,550. See, it is explanation is given, which I already explained. That explanation is given. The first journal, total assets 60, total assets cash of rupees 60,000, furniture of rupees 10,000, stock of rupees 8,000, which is coming 78, and here 78. Where is the journal? Minus 20 is equal to 58 is your capital. Beginning I have forgotten to say, this is 58 is your capital. Chart number weight machines, that is dead stock आ गया. 5 नंबर वेजेस मशीन का बाद में जो बोला वो. 8 नंबर कैश डिस्काउंट, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट इट. 15 नंबर द ट्रांजैक्शंस ट्रेड डिस्काउंट, इट इज गिवन इट हियर, that is it is giving how to calculate it. And like that, this is not required for writing in the answer, but you have to understand for that it is given. Now let me give one questions how you will calculate the trade discount amount and the others amount. See very carefully, you understand. Hope you are understanding. I told you, if you do not understand at any place, you will tell me. I will clear your doubt. But once or twice will not be enough to follow the video. At least you follow twice this video. Then if you do not understand, you will tell me. I will clear your doubt.